Friends with benefits. Some friends wants to get something from you. Some friends, they want to be there so that they can learn something from you. You will never get anything from them because they always want to benefit from you. They've seen that you are doing well. That's why they are closer to you. What if you have nothing, or what the time you had nothing, where were they? This is the question that you need to ask yourself. The time that you're going to waste, that's the money that you're going to waste. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Unique. On this channel, we do talk about how to create new ideas in the business, also how to transform the business. Today, I'm having another great topic. Just like yesterday, we did talk about something concerning fear. A lot of people want to start business, but they've got that fear. They are saying to themselves to say, what if I invest this money? Am I going to get it back? Or is the money coming back to me? Am I going to have losses? Am I going to have profit? These are the questions that we do ask ourselves when we want to start something. And I say that, guys, a person without fear is the person who is going to make it in life, or who is going to start a business and that business will be successful. Because those people without fear, they don't fear anything, but they want to grab whatsoever they want. So today I'm having another great topic, and today I just want to talk about friends. Just like I started my intro to say, there are friends who want to benefit from you, and there are friends who want to chew with you. They want to hang out with you just because you are doing it, just because you are having money, just because you've got a company, just because you've got businesses that you're doing, and they don't want you to benefit from them. How many of you've asked your friends to say, my dear, could you borrow me this? And how many you've received what you've asked from your friends? A very few people that give us something, but a lot of them, looking at our status, they see us to say, we've got everything. We've got everything. We don't lack. That's their mentality. Now, we want to change this mentality in us who are doing business, also in those people who are our friends. If you are my friends, if you were to be with me, then you should know that you are also a business person. I don't hang out with people just anyhow. I hang out with people who are going to tell me something, people who are better than me. So, do not just have friends just because you want to have a relationship with someone whom you can tell stories, whom you can say anything that you want, whom you can go out and hang out, drink with them. No. Have somebody who is going to direct you, who is going to tell you that what you are doing is wrong. We run the business in this way. We don't run the business in this way. If you can remember very well, yesterday I did talk about friends. The people that you are hanging out with are the ones who are bringing fear in you. How? I said, the moment they're going to start speaking negative things about life, about the business, about anything that you want to do, it will bring fear in you. And this is the reason why I've done this video, because these friends, they matters a lot in our life. Imagine you are having somebody who is who has got a business and is is more than you. Imagine you're going to learn from him. You're going to ask him questions. For you to be at this level, what did you do? What are the challenges that you did face? And he's going to explain to you, okay, my friend, this is it. In case there's something that has happened to you, he's going to tell you, this is how we handle this situation. But if you just have friends, those friends who are going to speak negative to you, they're going to tell you that you'll never make it. And you should avoid these kinds of friends. Among the relationships that you've had, how many people you've benefited from them? How many people? Maybe out of 10, maybe 2 or 1. Those are the people that you've benefited from. Whenever you are in the business, you need to have somebody whom you're going to benefit also. A person who is going to not only to benefit from you, also you're going to benefit from him. It can be a lady, it can be a man. Because this time you need to choose friends, good friends. Not only good, but those good friends whereby they're going to help you. They're going to groom you. They're going to sharpen you. They're going to drive you to your dream. Imagine you've said your goals to say, I'm going to do this year. I'm going to buy this mansion. I'm going to buy this car. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. And here is your friend comes from nowhere. You are telling him to say, my dear, today I want to buy that Lamborghini. I want to buy that house. And here he comes to say, how much do you have? Look at you. Look at you. Do you think you can buy that? Do you think you can do that? These are the kinds of friends that I don't want in my life. I want people, if I tell them to say, I'm going to do that, if they look at what I'm going to do, and then they're going to advise me to say, this is how you're going to achieve by buying that thing. Do this. Maybe they need to introduce new ideas on how to obtain that thing. Not only discouraging me. Support can be through words. Support can be money. Support can be anything. So these friends that we do have, some they want to benefit from us. Them, they don't want us to benefit from them. And that's the fact. You should realize this. Each and every day, they want to have a party with you. They want to tell you, let's go to the party. When you go to the party, you are the person who is going to pay. Imagine. Or let's go and drink 1 or 2 bottles of beer that side. There's a good champagne that side. But when you go there, they always want you to bring out the money so that you can pay. If you pay, you are done, you are happy, you go home, it's okay. Another day they call you in the morning to say, oh my dear, today it's Saturday, today it's weekend, let's go, we do this, let's go, we watch, you're going to pay for us. That day when you wake up, you are going to say, oh guys, can't we visit this place? You're going to buy this. They're going to say, oh no, I'm not feeling well, I'm sick. Those are not the kind of friends that you need to have in the business. Those friends, they're waiting for your downfall. They're waiting for your downfall. Because a friend who is doing business, they're going to shout at you. They're going to discourage you on how you're going to spend. A friend who is doing business or a friend who is good to you is somebody who is going to support you no matter what situation. If you tell them that you have the money to pay for those bottles of beer, it's going to discourage you. Don't pay for this. This is too much. He really knows that you need to achieve something big. He really knows that you've got goals, you've got people whom you are feeding. You don't just need to sit down. A friend is just pushing you to do it. Do it. No. Those are not kinds of friends. Have you ever imagined why do we choose a woman to be with in life? Why? Do you just go for a hen person? Do you go for N person? You choose, right? Yes. even just mere friends, we need to choose. You know how life is. Some people, they get connected to you just because of what you're doing. And some people, they get connected to you just because you are suffering. Some, they are there to help you, and some, they are there to let you down. So if you have this type of friends, avoid them. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you've really enjoyed, please do me a favor. Just like this video, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Guys, I'm so blessed to have you watching my videos. Please continue supporting your boy. My name is Unique. I'm out.